Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jaida and today we are doing an honest review on Ethika. Ethika is an underwear brand. I believe they blew up for their men's underwear because of how comfortable they were. And you know, us women had to get some stuff too. So Ethika Girls is a great brand. I love Ethika. I wear them every day. Yeah. I think I bought my first pair of Ethika. I bought it my third time coming to California. I went to Tilly's by myself. I'd like taken the subway and I saw these Ethika shorts and bras, like these workout sets on sale. And I was like, I can get my first pair of Ethikas because Ethika is like super expensive, right? So now I have a lot of Ethika. I love Ethika. So I want to do an honest review for you though, because I've experienced a few different products from them now. And I just want to tell you how they sustained, what they felt like, if they're attractive on me. Just, we're gonna do a try on haul too, so you guys will see it. But let's get right on into the video. So the first thing I'm gonna go over is their athletic wear. So this was one of my favorite sets. I actually want to film a music video in this outfit because I have a song and it starts with like oh 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 oh. I'll play it so you can hear it. But for some reason, this color pattern, this graffiti, this color pattern, it's everything for that song. Working out in it, it's pretty comfortable. It's very airy. I don't feel like I'm suffocating. I don't feel like anything's falling out. I feel pretty protected. They don't have padding. Ethika doesn't really have much padding, but I feel like the layer is thick enough to where you don't have to worry. And the shorts, they're so flattering. I love it. Ethika's workout wear, I will say sometimes I get hesitant to work out in my shorts at the public gyms just because, you know, they're pretty short and people like to stare. But other than that, I love them. They make me feel great. I wear them every day. The next thing I want to get into is everyday wear set. It's made out of cotton. It's a different material than the last set that I showed you. And it's just black and gold. I love it because gold is very attractive in my eyes, so I like to see the black and gold. Like, this is just cute. I don't wear this set too often though. I feel like Ethika's really known for their like out there patterns, that they're like simpler patterns I'm kind of sleeping on a little bit just because I love the exotic crazy Ethika. Speaking of sleeping on, now I'm gonna go over the Ethika sleepwear. I have this, and the tag's still on it because sometimes I'm weird and I just like, I haven't worn these yet. They haven't been washed. But I have tried them on. I just got these. And this bra is so comfy. I don't sleep in bras, but I could sleep in this. And the straps are removable. I don't understand why only back straps are removable on some bras. Like, is it supposed to like tuck it? But anyways, this is sleepwear and I tried it on and it was so soothing to my body. Like, it just felt so good to wear. So the last set that I'm gonna show you that I have is this a little cheeky, but it's not really for outwear. It's this bra and these panties. I think this set is really comfortable to wear. This seat, like the stitching's not so thick that it's poking through your clothes. You don't have to worry about it having like the layers on your clothes. I will say the bras, this also has a removable back strap, but not a removable front strap. I will say it doesn't have too much coverage for somebody with bigger boobs, but if you don't mind them hanging out a little bit, hey man, if you like it, I love it, you know? So that's all of like my sets that I'm gonna show off for this video. All right, so since we're still on the clothing wave, I wanna show you something that's not as common. Ethika apparel. Not the Ethika like sets that I just showed you. Yeah, those are everywhere. Ethika apparel, like apparel. These are their shorts. There's no like apparent logo on here, but I love how detailed the drawstrings are. It has the Ethika and it has a wax coating. Look at that stripe, like that's just, and their little, is that not the cutest thing ever? These shorts I like, they're very comfortable to wear around the house, but I don't know if I would wear these anywhere I'm trying to look cute. I don't know, maybe I would have to style them, but they're really cute. I've washed them a few times and I feel like they've shrunk to a thing that's gonna match my waist. So we'll see. But they're really cute to lounge around. So it's kind of the same length as the compression shorts, just a little longer. Next we have these Ethika leggings. When I got these leggings, look, it matches my outfit. When I got these leggings, I was so excited. And then I tried them on and they weren't the most flattering on my body. But I've come to learn it's not Ethika. It's just this color on my legs. They just make me look a little small. They fit pretty well. They don't have pockets, that's really inconvenient. I feel like the leggings with pockets are the new wave. All right, we're still in the Ethika outwear vibes. So the next thing I got from Ethika is these plain black shirts. They're literally plain black shirts. They have no logo on them except for this little one right here. It's pretty loose. I wouldn't say it's too tight. I wouldn't say it's just a black shirt. But it's cool though, the little detailing, because you see how the seams curling in. I don't know the proper name for it. I was trying to learn how to sew, but we're not there yet. I have the black one and I have the white one. They're not the whitest anymore because they've been through my washer, but I love my white shirts. I wouldn't say it's too see-through. 3 of each. I have 3 black shirts and 3 white shirts. And same with the logo being at the bottom, right here. Let's get into the Ethika socks. I was so excited. I had 3 pairs of black no-show socks and 3 pairs of white no-show socks. But they're comfortable and they have a little like gel pad in the back so they're not slipping off your feet, which is so great. So I feel like the socks wore out a little fast, which is not, it makes me sad because I love the Ethika socks. I want to wear them a lot more, but I don't want to wear them out and get holes in them, you know? They have that same logo, but instead of the red outline, it's a pink outline, and I think that's even cuter. Come on now, we gotta love the switch up. Now let's move into the hats, the accessories. We have this hat, cute little ball cap. It's got a very sporty material to it. It's not cotton. It's got like that, you can sweat in this and it won't hold on to the sweat material. I need to learn my materials if I'm gonna be doing reviews. It is very airy. It's not, this part is cotton. This thing I wanna review is this beanie, and it's actually still in the bag because I kept the bag. But it still has a tag on it too. Can you tell I live in California now? One day I'll go to Big Bear or something and have a reason to wear the beanie. It's really big on my head. It's really big on me. But it's soft, giving snow, if I was around snow. I'm not wearing it the right way because the front has the logo on it somewhere. That is all for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed, and if you want any of the products, go look at Ethika. They're amazing. I promise you won't regret it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and go check me out on other social media.
Turn me up. Dex, getting your back.